Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to check if your iPhone 15 was added to the IMEI.info lost/stolen database using your IMEI number. So to get the IMEI number, you can dial this number in your phone app, or you can find it in the about phone section of your settings in your phone. Then enter the IMEI.info website and type in your IMEI number right here. Press check IMEI, and when you scroll down you'll find the lost device check. And now enter the serial number or the IMEI and press check lost stolen status, and that's it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.